In this video, we will be observing the correct way to reseat the front cover of both the ZS3 and the Pro systems from our Zonari product line. Grab the cover firmly by the sides and pull out towards you to remove. Locate the notch on the top corner of the front cover. Align with the slot on the power button. Press the cover firmly to secure in place. Apply pressure to all four corners to ensure proper seating. Note: the power button will appear amber if the notch is not seated correctly. The amber light on the power button will extinguish once the cover is seated properly. Press the power button to turn on. You are now ready to use the system.